To fix YouTube TV not saving video progress, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is essential for YouTube TV to function properly. Ensure that your device is connected to a strong and reliable network. Next, restart your device and the YouTube TV app, as this often resolves issues with video progress not being saved. Close the app, wait for a few seconds, and then reopen it to see if the problem is resolved. Check for updates for the YouTube TV app, as outdated versions can cause issues with video progress. Go to the App Store on your device, search for YouTube TV, and install any available updates. Clearing the YouTube TV app cache can also resolve the issue. To do this, go to your device settings, select the Apps or Applications menu, find YouTube TV, and select the Clear Cache option. This will remove any temporary data that may be causing the problem. If you are using multiple devices to watch YouTube TV, ensure that you are signed in with the same account on all devices. This will help YouTube TV to sync your video progress across all devices. Check the YouTube TV settings to ensure that the video progress saving feature is enabled. To do this, open the YouTube TV app, go to the Settings menu, and look for the option to save video progress. Ensure that this option is turned on. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. This will remove any corrupted files or data that may be causing the problem. Finally, contact YouTube TV support if the issue persists. They can provide further assistance and help to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix YouTube TV not saving video progress and enjoy a seamless viewing experience.